Hey, welcome to episode 128 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to actually settle debt by returning whatever your secure property is in exchange for them actually saying you no longer owe the debt. So you could probably see this a lot if you guys were to have a vehicle, maybe you got like some type of appliance or some type of furniture or whatever you may have financed, or even maybe you have a property too. Like, I need to give this up. And I don't want to be responsible for this debt anymore. Sometimes this may be a great option for you, especially if you can't sell that item to pay back the money. So let's check out the letter that I created for you guys for this. Don't forget, it's 10 letters total for that settlement, changing your payments. If you got missed payments and you just want to start paying your current payments and then later on pay your missed ones, we got letters for all of these different things. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, please go back and check out those episodes where I kind of go over the letter, where to put certain things on the letter. For this one here, it's just literally just one letter, but it's 9 other letters that's going to be in this package if you decide that you want to get the package. And the link for this will be in the description and also in the comments. So let's go ahead and check out this letter. So this is the letter here is the offer to return a secure property to settle the debt, whatever the debt is. So you want to put your name, your address with your city, state, and zip code, your email address, your phone number, the date, the creditor's name, address, city, state, and zip code. And this, again, is an offer to return secure property to settle debt. Please put your account number on here. If you do not know your account number, call them. Look at some type of statement that you may have, but put your account number on here and then the name of the creditor, you'll put it there. Okay, so you basically saying due to unforeseen circumstances, I am unable to continue making payments towards this debt. However, I am committed to resolving this matter and I'm offering to return the property as full satisfaction of the debt owed. Okay, so put the description of the property here, whatever it may be. Just put that there. And again, these companies can only say yes or no. So this is just a proposal. Let them know, hey, thank you for considering my offer. I appreciate your understanding and cooperation in this matter. Please feel free to contact me at and put your phone number, your email address if you have any questions or require further information. Okay. And again, I told you guys with the previous ones, I do not suggest you sign it. But you can type your name. You definitely want to type your name and put it at the bottom, okay? If you decide that you don't want to sign it, just make sure you do have your name here and delete this section here. Now, you have so many different letters on here. Again, I told you guys, you're going to get all these letters. It's included in one big bundle. So request for delayed payments on the missed payments, request to stop payments long-term and short-term, request to lower your payments short-term and long-term, and then also overall debt settlement. So you have so many different letters to choose from. Now, one thing I do want to say about this, like if you decide that you want to give up whatever the property is, and you want them to just say that the debt is satisfied, you don't owe them anything, make sure that there is no deficiency balance. I have learned this when it came down to properties, because sometimes if you were to give up a property, you may ask for no deficiency balance. That means that if you were to get this property back, say if it's you owe $100,000, if you were to get this property back and you were only able to sell it for $80,000, don't say I owe you $20,000. That $20,000 is just a loss for you. And that's it, and same thing is for a vehicle. Sometimes people may get like a repossession or something like that, and they'll sell your vehicle, but whatever you owe, that whatever is left from the amount that you owe for what they sold it for, say if it was extra $3,000 or $4,000 or $10,000, they'll usually say, hey, you still owe that. But in this case, we want to make sure that is no deficiency balance. So maybe they'll have you sign an agreement, but remember, you don't want to pay anything. We need full satisfaction, and we put that in a letter, but you may sign an agreement that may be different than what's in this letter. So please just make sure that there's not going to be a deficiency balance. And if it is, just make sure it's something that you want to pay or that you agree upon. Okay, that's going to be the biggest thing. So I'm going to talk about how modifying the different terms on your credit, on your different accounts, how that is going to affect your credit. Definitely going to talk about the next episode. And I just recently saw this on someone's credit report, and I'm like, this is horrible. Okay, so let's talk about this in the next episode. I will see you all there.